Dreamface app review. Is this AI-powered animator legit or a scam? So Dreamface, also known as Dreamface AI Video Generator, is an animation app that turns your still photos into talking or singing avatars using AI-powered lip sync and animation. It offers live avatars, dynamic facial movements, text-to-speech capabilities, and a wide array of theme, filters, and templates. Available on both iOS and Android, it integrates AI to produce entertaining animated videos from just one image. So what's good about it is it is highly rated and trusted by users. It is simple, yet it offers fun AI animations. It is also transparent and reasonable with its pricing, and they have developer responsiveness and regular updates. The only problem is the subscription can feel pricey. They also have ethical and privacy concerns, and there are potential for some misuse, which takes some risk. So is Dreamface legit? Yes, it is legit. Its high user rating, transparent pricing, and reliable functionality confirm it's more than just hype. It's legit and an entertaining AI app.